Make 1 million by investing in the stock market. Make 1 million from investing in the stock market is a dream of almost every investor. How you can invest and earn this goal is based on your smart investment decisions. In this video, we'll explain to you how you can make 1 million through your investments in the stock market. People who trade stocks often have a strong desire to get rich. Stock trading has made a lot of money for many people. To be successful at stock investing, you need to work hard, keep going, and do a lot of research on the market. Stay until the end of this video because we'll discuss the 10 best strategies and the power of compounding that can be very helpful for you to make 1 million from the stock market. Your net worth will grow as you invest more money in great companies. The best way to get to a point where you can live on your own money is to triple your wealth every 3 years. Things should go well with that. When good companies last through many changes in the market, they often turn into great franchises. They have a huge impact on pricing and management. With compound profit, people who save have a better chance of being financially stable in the long run. To get the most out of compounding, you need to start investing early and keep doing it for a long time. After 20 to 30 years, early investments have a big impact. Let's look at the 10 strategies that will guarantee your financial success and allow you to earn 1 million through the stock market. Number 1. Ensure that your objectives are achievable at all times. Is it really possible to make $1 million in the stock market? Traders with too optimistic expectations are more likely to experience losses. Be realistic about what you hope to get out of the stock market, and don't make the mistake of thinking that it will continue to give you the same level of returns as it has in the past. Number 2. Learn to accept your trading personality and characteristics. Let's find out the secrets to making a fortune on the Indian Stock Exchange and get a grasp on this. There are 2 types of participants in the stock market: fundamental investors and speculators. The primary difference between these 2 camps is how the stock is valued. Value investors, also known as fundamental investors, tend to have a more conservative outlook on a stock's price than speculators. These shareholders place a higher value on a company's core values than its financial performance. You need to learn the ropes to make money in the stock market. Number 3. You should recognize multibaggers. The first step in finding multibaggers is figuring out how much a company is worth. Multiply the number of outstanding shares by the stock's per share price as of the date you want to get this value. In this case, a company is valuable if its stock value exceeds the value it creates for its stakeholders. Assessing a company's growth potential and growth drivers is essential. He used the example of the typewriter industry, saying that without a growth engine, the stock price wouldn't go up, no matter how much money was spent. As consumers become more aware of how important it is to keep their data safe, the digitalization of the media industry has opened up many opportunities for growth and financial value in this area. Number 4. Investing is a process that needs discipline. Even the longest and strongest bull markets have occasionally given investors reasons to worry. Even though the markets generally go up, many people still lose money because the stock market is so volatile. All investors who have been steady with their contributions have seen massive returns simultaneously. In India, putting in the effort over time will make you a millionaire. Number 5. Increase your creative problem-solving skills. To earn large wealth, investors must think unconventionally and go against the grain. To become a millionaire in the Indian stock market, you must look outside the box and invest more substantially. There are better ideas than putting your money with the herd. The point is to be actively thinking all the time. Traditional stocks become irrelevant after a while, and a fresh outlook might help identify the next generation of firms poised for future success. Profits in the stock market may be substantial because of how often trends shift. Companies like Reliance, Power Grid, and Yes Bank have seen better days. And then there were IT stocks like TCS, Mindtree, and Infosys. However, the most successful businesses will spring up in various sectors. Capturing them immediately is the key. Number 6. Create a circle of competence for yourself. Encourage young investors to widen their horizons and invest in sectors with which they are acquainted. You might even dream about becoming a millionaire with no money using legal means. Putting money into industries where others are also putting money but where you have no expertise is a waste of time. The Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, handles 5,000 equity deals daily. Consider looking into a very competitive market. Those in the financial sector would do well to buy bank shares. Those in the medical industry may find it beneficial To investigate stock options at pharmaceutical companies. Number 7. Invest a large sum of money in a high-quality stock. Although it is possible to make a few thousand rupees or 10,000s on the stock market, you will need more than that to make you rich. The opportunity to invest in a great stock is uncommon, so you should seize it with both hands when it presents itself. Find an outstanding stock and purchase a lot. If it does well, you may become a fortune trading on the Indian stock market. If you want to be like Warren Buffett, you must be willing to put your name on the line. Make long-term investments if you want to get wealthy. Instead of trading, long-term investing is the way to go if you want to amass a large fortune. Individuals supporting and liking trading should keep their trading and investing funds in separate accounts. Trading accounts are intended for fun and thrills, whereas investment accounts are meant to create wealth. Before we move to the 8th strategy, make sure to hit the thumbs up icon below to like this video. Number 8. Defy the herd mentality and think for yourself. Many people decide whether to buy or sell stocks based on the advice of people they know and trust. So, if a potential trader looks around and says that many people in their area are buying the same stock, they may feel pressured to do the same. Over time, these kinds of actions aren't helpful and should be avoided. Greedy people should be feared, and scared people should be taken advantage of. Number 9. It's a bad idea to predict when the stock market will rise or fall. If you try to time the market, you will likely lose a lot of money. Because of this, many experienced investors say that trying to time the stock market is a waste of time. It's hard to guess the high and low prices of a stock. This differs from how you run your business if you want to invest in delivery. Number 10. Put all of your spare cash into investments. You may know that some people incur debt because of their stock market investments. The best advice for a beginner trader is always to invest any extra money. To avoid taking out loans and piling up debt, you should look at your company's earnings again. This is a great way to increase your chances of becoming a billionaire via the Indian stock market. All of the preceding advice is easy to put into practice and may help a beginner in the stock market. The first step is establishing a Demat account, which you should do as soon as possible. How can you become a millionaire through the stock market? You need to understand compound profit returns to be a millionaire. When compared to saving 1 million, even a modest monthly savings rate seems impossible. Keep in mind that compounding is responsible for the bulk of wealth creation. Increases in profitability later on are a direct result of the success achieved in the first place. Take the following into consideration. A 10% return on an investment of Rs 1,000 would result in a 100 rupees profit. The following year, with the same 10% return, you would have 1,210 rupees, a grain of the 110 rupees. In some cases, you may get the benefits of compound profit even if you don't make any more investments. To get the most out of compounding, you need to put money into your investment often. The power of compounding can make you a millionaire. Let's take a look at how compounding can help you get to 1 million. First, you'll look at how much money you can expect to get back from our investment. Since 1926, an 80-20 mix of stocks and bonds has given an annual return of 9.4%. During the same period, average inflation was about 2.9% per year. Based on what you know about the past, you can expect a CAGR of 6.5% after considering inflation. How much you need to save and invest each month to become a millionaire is based on how long you have. Remember that the less you need to keep each month to reach your goal, the longer you save and grow your money. You can use any online calculator for the compound annual growth rate, depending on how much you pay each month. In India, if you want to become a millionaire on the stock market in 10 years, you need to save about 6,000 rupees per month. Most people won't be able to do this, so it's not a good choice. Most people in India try not to make quick money on the stock market, which is a good thing. Even if they save for retirement, it will be long before they can do so comfortably. When you change your investment time horizon to reflect this new reality, you can see the benefits of investing early and letting your money grow independently. The most important thing you can do for yourself is to start saving and investing early and regularly while keeping your expenditures in line. If you follow these 10 proven strategies, you too may become a millionaire by trading in the Indian stock market. If you can keep your spending under control and stay out of debt, compound profit will help you reach your financial goals faster. This was all for today's video to guide you on how to make 1 million by investing in the stock market. Remember to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon before leaving this video. Do you have any future plans for investment in the stock market? In how many years do you want to see yourself as a millionaire? Tell us in the comment section below because we value your feedback. We have also uploaded a video on the book The Psychology of Money on our channel, which can be very helpful to you for knowing all the secret tips to becoming rich in that book and how to become a millionaire in 2022. You can find the link to that video in the description below and in the card.